What do you get?
You tell me first.
No, you tell me. So then he was like, oh, this GAN is so amazing. I got 10 6-second solves in an average of 100. But the guy doesn't even get a single sub-8 solve in competition, am I right?
The guy's a fraud. Also, he's actually a lot smaller in real life than
Really?
you'd expect.
Hold up. I gotta call you back in a minute, though. Yo, Tom, what's up?
Don't you dare yo me, CubeHead, okay? Our friendship is done.
What friendship?
Look, I heard everything you and Team Man said, dude. You're live.
Everyone heard it.
Yeah, but it's not like we said anything that wasn't true, right?
I'm literally faster than you.
Oh, hell no!
Okay, you want to prove it? Let's settle it. You and me. TNL versus CubeHead. First to 20, and the loser has to bleach their hair.
Okay, let's do it. But first, though, yo. Are you ready to lose?
I'm ready to lose.
Oh, my hands are so sweaty.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, this is a good white cross. I'm all happy. Oh, man. I'm just giving you false hope right now.
I'm a little bit worried though.
What?
My hands are shaky. It's my first time, okay? I'm not a seasoned performer like you.
Yeah. I'm like very experienced in like totally crushing people. Let's be honest. Oh no. Oh, I messed this up.
That's 2-0, man. 2-0, jeez.
Easy.
That's alright.
I'm like
That's alright.
I'm like dominating this match.
I just wanted to at least give you one win before I 21 you now.
It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
Ugh.
Oh no. I'm gonna be using these cubicle hand warmers. This is paid promotion.
That's funny because I was actually just shouting out this DailyPuzzles cube cover that is clearly making me win.
I'm still winning though. I cannot even open this package. What a horrible day am I having.
All I'm hearing over there is excuses. This guy talked a big game, but...
Wait, I'm gonna quickly wash my hands.
Meanwhile.
What did you wash your hands with?
That was cubicle soap. Cubicle soap.
Jesus. 2 in a row. Maybe that's the momentum you need to overtake me, but I don't think so, to be honest.
Oh!
Damn it!
Are you getting scared now?
A little bit, to be honest. I thought this was gonna go 20-0 and then 21, but it's a bit tighter than I expected.
Yes! Oh man, look at that average of 5.
You've won 4 in a row. Oh my god. That's my strategy. I don't need to get too many flashy souls. I just keep being consistent and let you mess up.
A few moments later.
Oh no, I inserted the wrong pair. I'm totally losing this one.
Dude, I just keep getting bad last layers.
Oh, I just had PLL skip and I +2 it.
Was it a 7? Oh, dude.
I need to make another comeback. Oh no.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
How can I come from like an 8.2 average to an 11.4?
You're so consistent, man.
Oh,
So
man.
consistent.
Oh no, I did the wrong PLL. Are you kidding me?
12-7, people.
I cannot make any mistakes. Man,
You good there?
that was my answer, man. 7.4.
You good there?
7.4.
What? Oh god.
Oh man, why am I so inconsistent?
I only need to win 8 more and then we're done. So I'll finish it up quickly for you. Don't worry about it.
Man, I got it. I'm gonna destroy you now.
Sure.
So after 20 souls, I was warmed up. Yes, that's my excuse. And now we were pretty much even, which meant that I wasn't really catching up, and the gap stayed the same. I needed to do something about that. So I did.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no. Oh no.
Yes! Yes! Woo!
Oh no. Man, this is so sad.
Did you get a 6?
And I +2 with it.
Oh, dude. I got a 16, so I was only 10 seconds behind you, to be fair.
Oh man, this is sad. F's in the chat, guys. Oh no.
Did you +2 it?
Yes. Oh, if I just didn't +2 that one, that would have been so much. That would have made a big difference there.
My turning, guys.
Oh man,
Jesus.
this
Yeah.
solution, I have to replay that. Yo, check this pseudo slotting.
3, 2, 1.
Oh man, I didn't scramble. I had a solved cube.
Round of applause, guys.
Wait, did I?
Leave a comment if you think CubeHead should scramble. Oh, I just can't turn for absolute dude.
What do you get?
11. I think CubeHead might be like miss-scrambling. How do I know I'm not? I don't want to let you take the lead at all in this match, so.
Okay, I'm ready. Another good wide scramble. I cannot deal with these.
Oh my god, I just.
What do you get?
1070.
Yes, 1007. 1110.
Yes! 845.
Wait, I'm gonna wash my hands again with the cubicle soap.
Hey guys, just want to let you know, subscribe to TNL Cubing. Thanks. Can you still hear me?
Did you say something?
No, definitely. Oh,
Man, I
didn't say anything, I was just.
I heard something through my headphones while I was away.
I think that was just the sound of the cube.
Okay, I believe you.
Ugh.
Oh man, I totally over-inspected. I'm sorry for that, but
TNL, guys.
yeah, 978.
I was done myself.
Wait, what?
That's all good though, that's all good. Damn it! Did you +2 A10? Oh, so I won by heaps, yeah, sweet.
I won by heaps, he said.
I hate VPAM. 17 all again. You still haven't hit the lead, but this is like our 3rd or 4th tie.
Oh no. I'm gonna take the lead right now. What do you get?
850.
I got 815. This is like right 45 degrees.
Oh, what a point to be +2ing.
Oh man, but I Okay, I'll take the +2.
There, I would do the same. That's all.
I will take the I will take the +2.
Didn't quite take the lead, so 18-17? Yeah. Oh god. It's still close as. Oh,
What did you get?
10-5.
Oh, 979. Oh man.
I actually got an 8.5, but I +2'd it. 18 or 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that sounded fast.
It's alright. It was alright.
1031.
847. 1918. So I could take the game right now, dude. This could be match point. Ah, 1062.
929.
Oh, that wasn't even that good of a solve. I could have. Damn it.
Oh man, I want to take the lead. I want to take the lead at least once. I don't care if I win. I just want to have the lead once.
To clarify as well, guys, even though if one of us wins right now and gets to 20, it's not a win. We have to win by a margin of 2. So 3, 2, 1. Oof. Yes! Yes! Alright, I got a clutch PLL skip. My first PLL skip of the entire match with the 8-19 single. Am I actually going to win CubeHead versus TNL without even getting a 7? I don't think I'm... Alright. Match point. Are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
What do you get?
You tell me first.
No, you tell me.
879.
908.
Oh, dude. I'm not reacting much, but like, I'm so happy I don't have to bleach my hair. I'm so happy.
Oh man. Man, look at my time trend.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Look at my time
That's
trend.
really bad.
Oh man, good job. Congrats. I'm not happy.
GG.
I'm not happy though, but...
So guys, that settles it. White Cross is superior.
Wait, what is your best average of 5?
9-11.
Oh man, I really need to buy bleach now.
One.
What did you get?
2.1.